Welcome to Creative Friday. I am so excited about what we're going to be doing for the next few weeks. We are ready, set to go with art with Children International. You know it's not a summer unless we have art with Children International. I'm Miss Paula, for those that don't know me, and we are going to do some art projects. I have 4, one for each week. So get back with us next Friday too, every Friday through July. And if you were able to come and pick up a box, you'll have your art folder with the box. And inside the folder, you'll have all of the projects that we're going to be doing in the folder. And so you just get your folder out. Projects that I'm going to do are simple. They'll take minimal materials. They'll be easy to do. Today, we're going to do a simple fold-up book. This one sheet of paper is going to make a book. You say, oh no, but I say yes. So in your folder, you'll have a couple templates, like so. And if you don't have, you can just use a piece of paper, and I just pulled a piece of paper that has some little flowers on it. Let me show you what we're going to do. First thing you're going to do, you take your piece of paper, whether it's the template or not, and you fold it in half the long way. And make sure you line up your edges really good. So you're going to go fold down that way. Okay? Then you're going to turn it and fold it the other way. Again, making sure that your edges are, and if you remember now, if you're working with this paper, and I should have said that before, always make sure your hands are clean. You know, I got to keep my hand sanitizer because you're going to be playing with the paper and moving your hands around the paper and everything. You want it clean. At COVID-19, we want to stay clean. So, right now you've got a fold down the center, and then you fold it in half. Now you're going to fold it again this way. So let's go over again. So you're going to fold it that way, and then you're going to fold it in half. And now you're going to fold it in half again, like this. Okay? Lining up those edges. And you open it just to one time. Starting at the fold, all you need is a pair of scissors, and you're going to cut right along that line. Let's see, there we go. Cut on that fold to the next crease. So now, that's what you have. You have a sheet of paper that's been folded and cut and ready to make a book. Fold it in half, like that. Okay? Did you see that? So your paper's like that, you've cut it, fold it down, and then push it in. And boom, it's coming to be a book. Now, what I would suggest is to not color in it or paint it until you have folded it to find out what your first page is going to be, what the second page and third, like that. That's your book. Okay? So once you have it, I've done one here. I'm trying to learn how to draw flowers, and so this was my practice. So you can do whatever you want to do. And this is the the places that you go poem, the story by Dr. Seuss in a book. You can do cardstock, you can do paper. Once Upon a Time, are you a story writer? Is this your book? This is just a blank piece of paper. I do want to invite you to come and participate in our art contest that we're going to be rolling out here. The theme for the art contest is If I Could Save the World. What does that mean for you? Are you an artist to draw? Or maybe you don't draw so well. Maybe you write. Maybe you can write a poem. Or maybe you like to rap and maybe you can do some lyrics for a song. If I could save the world, what does that look like for you? And so check our website, check our YouTube. Information will be in your packet. And we invite you to join. We'll have prizes and gifts for winning entries. And so this is a blank piece of paper. Doesn't have any outline or template on it. Again, fold it, push it, and then you're done. That, my dear friends, is our first Friday, Creative Friday project. Is a fold-up book. See you next Friday. Bye.